Hey there, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. I'm going to give you a brief glimpse in my Freedom vertical template. This is certainly a very patriotic themed template, but it doesn't have to be. There's all kinds of ways to modify this to give it a variety of looks. Here's an example of a football player instead of this basketball player. So I place him into there, shut off my sample subject, and so he's in there just as quick as that. There's also a background image that you don't have to use. You can completely go without it and have something just like this. Or if I wanted to replace it, I'm going to grab another image of him, drag and drop it in there, and then position it where I want it to go. I usually like to have it pretty large, so maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger and do kind of a close-up there where he's half cut off. I think that looks pretty dang cool. Any colors can be changed. So for example, the shield color here, I could go with just a black and white almost version of it in the background, which looks very classic and cool. I could go with matching, so I matched his colors here, something like that, and then I can change these stripes to fit, something like that. Of course, I'd also want to change the star. I can also inverse this whole look and make the shield and stripes lighter color and the background dark. Something like that if I want to. You can also even shut the stars and stripes off if you don't want to use a patriotic theme at all. So for example, something like that, and this is just a sunset background scene there. Yet another variation is I can shut off the sky and turn on the flag and just show this flag in full color also. There's all kinds of ways to customize it. I'm sure your subjects are going to love it.